Hello, my name is Luis Hernandez from the government of the Canary Islands. I'm geologist and I'm expert in geological hazards. I also belong to the research group of University of La Laguna, Ingenia, Geological Engineering, Innovation and Water. The purposes of my presentation is to give you an overview of the main geological hazards that occur in our planet. The Earth is a dynamic planet in which geological processes take place, both internally and externally. These processes can cause harm to humans and their environments. Society must make use of current scientific and technical knowledge to try to prevent risk and intervene in an emergency. The best known geohazards occur suddenly, such as earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanic eruptions, landslides, and floods. This can be catastrophic and cause great damage to people and objects. These are the geohazards that we are going to describe in this chapter. Floods. Floods are caused by sudden change in water level, so the water level exceeds its natural confinement and covers a portion of land not previously covered. This is a natural process that occurs in river systems on a regular basis by the melting of snow, heavy rain or coastal storm, which can cause an increase in water level over a coastal plain. These causes are often the product of other natural processes, such as hurricanes and tropical storms accompanied by heavy rains, volcanic eruption capable of melting of the snow suddenly, and so on. Apart from natural processes, human influence is in many cases the cause of floods and other acute effects. Earthquakes. One of the most frightening and destructive phenomena of the nature is an earthquake. We can define an earthquake as a shaking and vibration on the surface of the earth, resulting from underground movement along a fault plane or from volcanic activity. In the process, vibrations called seismic waves are generated. These waves travel outward from the source of the earthquake over the surface and through the earth at varying speeds. This vibration can cause massive damage and destruction. Earthquakes cannot be predicted, although areas most at risk can be identified. Scientists are continually thinking of ways to try to reduce earthquakes' power. Tsunamis. Tsunamis are a series of enormous waves created by an underwater disturbance, such as an earthquake, landslide, volcanic eruption, or meteorite. A tsunami is generated by an impulse disturbance in the ocean or in a small connected body of water. In the open ocean, a tsunami is less than a few centimeters high. As the tsunami approaches to the coastline, the wave energy is compressed into a much shorter distance, creating potentially large destructive waves that pose a threat to life in coastal communities. A very large disturbance can cause local devastation and export tsunami destruction thousands of miles away. Landslides. Landslides are defined as the downward and outward movement of slow-forming materials, natural rocks, soils, artificial fields, or combination of these materials. Landslides are a serious geological hazard common to almost every region of the world. Landslides occur throughout the world under all climatic conditions and in all terrains. They cost billions in monetary losses and are responsible for thousands of deaths and injuries each year. Landslides can be classified into different types based on the type of movement and the type of material involved, rocks or soils. The effect of landslide on people and structures can be lessened by total avoidance of landslide hazard areas or by restricting, prohibiting, or imposing conditions on hazard zone activity. Volcanoes. A volcano is an opening in the earth crust through which magma or gases of magmatic origin or both issue. Volcanic eruption can be effusive, where lava flows like a thick, sticky liquid, or explosive, where fragmented lava explodes out of vent. In explosive eruption, ash and gases may accompany to fragmented rock. Volcanoes can be exciting and fascinating, but also very dangerous. Some volcanic eruptions are highly explosive and produce fine volcanic ash that rise many kilometers into the atmosphere in enormous eruption columns. Explosive activity also causes widespread ashfall, pyroclastic flow, debris avalanches, landslide, pyroclastic surge, and lahars. We can predict volcanic eruptions. Volcanologists are always working to understand how volcanic hazards behave and what can be done to avoid them. To prepare this presentation, the following references has been consulted. For more information, please consult our webpage or contact with us in the following address. Thank you very much for your attention.